Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I also invite you to subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I release new content. And today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. So happy to be out here at the park on Throwback Thursday to bring out one of my classics from back in the day, or rarely seen drones rather, with this one. So today I'm out here with my Jumpbo Q08. And those of you who are not new to the channel, not new to the RC hobby, probably recognize this thing as being a clone of the HTC H8C. And so the H8C was very popular back in the day, the glory days I like to call them, when quadcopters didn't all have altitude hold and there was a lot of companies competing to try to make a name for themselves. This company, Jumpbo, I only ever heard of this drone here coming from them. But it was a clone of the H8C, and this drone is a pretty nice flying drone. So I don't understand why they didn't continue to be successful in the hobby, but this drone is pretty nice. The only thing I would say that is kind of lacking is maybe pitch. If it had a lot more pitch, it would probably be closer to perfect. I can't say perfect, but it'll be closer to perfect. It had this sky blue color. The whole drone being sky blue was rather unique, different, and it does have LEDs on it underneath the arms, with their tiny LEDs. But from my recollection, I think it did serve as a nice lighting for LEDs. As far as night flight is concerned, I think it was an okay night flyer. But anyhow, it comes with this transmitter that doesn't look like it even comes with it. And the transmitter is labeled flip button, light control, and stuff like that on there, you know. So not bad. And even though it's a toy grade transmitter, the transmitter isn't bad at all. It's not a lot of dead space in the middle of the sticks and all, so it was a pretty nice controlling quad. And this quad needed that because it had a very fast yaw. So pretty fast yaw on third rate on this thing. I think the first and second rate probably have a pretty nice yaw too. But anyhow, I'm kind of anxious to fly this thing, so I'm gonna get it up in the air and let's check this thing out. No on and off switch on this guy, so you gotta just plug it in. There it is. Yeah, green lights in the rear, blue lights in the front. And so we started off in high rate, I think. Yeah, I put it in low rates now. I think this is low rate. So the yaw is pretty decent in low rate. The pitch is pretty decent. Check it out. That's forward and backwards. The first time I was flying left and right. So let's get a flip out the way early. So it flips nice. Just in case this thing, this battery in here is not good, but I did fully charge this battery, and I do have a spare out here. So as you can see, this thing flies okay already. Pretty nice, better than most, and it's only in first rate. I don't know why this thing keeps beeping. It's scaring me though. And so it does have a switch on it here to switch from low to high rates, and mid rates and all. So you can start off in whatever rate you want to before you even bind the quad. And so this is second rate. Still a nice yaw. A tad bit more pitch. Side flying left and right. Check out the funnel. Pretty nice funnel on it. And so let's go straight to the high rates. Okay, we're in the high rates. 3 beats represent that. Check out the yaw. And you can still fly this thing around pretty nicely. Oh, I can't see. My depth perception had to be on point with that one. Some pretty awesome little drone. Made sure to keep this one. And so, although this fast yaw looks cool and it's awesome for funnels, I really prefer to fly it in this rate here, which is the mid rate. Really not too much difference from mid rate and first rate though. You know, I tried to get it to do a flip, and the battery, it seems like it's not having it. It's blinking already. So no flips jumping off. Got the flips out the way early. Happy at that. The Jumpbo Q08, y'all. So let's bring it in. I don't want it to fall. So Throwback Thursday, the Jumpbo Q08. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.